Playing this in public can make people panic and activate the actual EAS.
And doing that can make you go to jail.
I am not responsible for the panic.
This is also not real. It's just made for entertainment purposes only.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. At around 8:30 p.m. before night, there has been several reports of a figure with its hood up walking across the streets. The figure has dark clothing such as dark green hoodie, jeans, black sneakers and a mask. It's unknown what the mask looks like, but people saw the suspect with its head down. Do not approach this man because you may be putting your life in danger. Stay tuned for more information about this unfolding situation soon. The cell phone are only going to be used for emergency alerts only. Again, stay tuned for more information.
Huh, a person walking down the streets? Okay, maybe this situation won't be too bad, but that's weird.
The civil authorities has issued a shelter-in-place warning. Do not go outside. I repeat, do not go outside. The figure from earlier is breaking into houses and killing people. People have reported that they come home and they see their loved one dead. Their face has been turning yellow and then the loved one kills them. The figure's hood has been taken off and now the person is aggressive. The face looks very pale and yellow. Its face shows a stressed face with mouth slightly open. Also, it breathes heavily and doesn't stop. Once it spotted its victim, it will aim its hand at their face and chase them violently. The figure puts its hand against the victim's face and the victim passes out and becomes infected, and they look exactly like the figure. This situation is very dangerous. Lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights and hide at the lowest floor. Lower all devices and stay calm. Panicking will make the whole thing worse. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Oh my god, this can't be good.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The whole northeast and further of the USA is fighting the disaster of the infection. The infection is called the vibe check. If you go outside, you will face certain death. Multiple people have been infected by the infection. Stay inside your basements until this crisis ends. If you are infected, prepare for death. We are trying to stop this disaster from destroying the whole country. Stay safe. And bring a firearm if you need to. All stations will silence for your safety. Evacuate now, don't hesitate. The virus is about to infect the whole country. This is your only warning. Get into a helicopter and go into Canada. The little piece of the military left is trying their best to hold the rest off. If you don't evacuate, then face sure death.
This is it, this is the end. The vibe check virus has domed us. It turned out all helicopters has been destroyed. There's nothing we can do. God, please help us. We will play the national anthem of our country for the last time. Goodbye, fellow Americans.
After the national anthem, the whole country became a hellish vibe check. Destroyed wasteland.